Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by getting the essentials into your hands and making the first cut right away. Place the die face down on cardstock so the cut edge meets paper. This gives a cleaner edge. Once positioned, tape the die lightly. This prevents slippage while running through the machine. Make sure your sandwich order matches the machine's guidelines. If unsure, use the standard plate, die, paper, second plate stack. You'll see why this orientation yields crisp impressions and consistent cuts. Once done with the sandwich, feed it through your die-cutting machine at a steady pace so pressure distributes evenly across the die. If a design is intricate, run a test on scrap and add a 0. 5 mm shim to increase bite rather than force a single heavy pass. After cutting, flip the die and tap gently, or use a die brush to release tiny bits. You can also use low-tack tape over the top to pull out delicate negatives without damage. You finish by arranging and adhering the die cuts to your card base, aligning with a ruler or grid to ensure balance. Use liquid glue for small pieces so you can nudge them, or adhesive sheets for quick layers. Once stuck, press gently to seal. If you encounter issues like tearing or incomplete cuts, make an adjustment. Lower pressure, add or remove a shim, or switch to sturdier cardstock. This small troubleshooting step prevents repeat errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.